2106, the Junkyard Dogs has become the top dog of Chesapeake. First, getting a win from the Glen Allen District event in week 2, now number 1 seed at the Blacksburg event. Let's go ahead and see behind the bumpers as we join these overdogs for a little tour. All right, so tell me about your robot, guys. See this masterpiece at work.
So first things first is how do we get the balls inside? So firstly, we have this intake here that slides out over the bumper. We have this kicker bar here that sits inside the frame perimeter, and then it falls out at the beginning of the match, and it stays up there for the entirety of the match. Our intake works on a rack and pinion. If you could move down here, we have two gears that run this entire rack, and they are driven by a singular Kraken motor, which drives multiple belts and to get that proper gear ratio. And then we have this long hex shaft here that powers the other side with the same 2 gears. So next is the spindexer. We have the spindexer here that is a small plate. It's not rotating floor. We have these black 3D printed plates here that elevate the balls to prevent them from getting too squished in, and that prevents any jamming. We spin the spindexer and it goes onto the this extra jammer or this extra unjammer here, and that breaks up any balls that want to be collide and enter the spindexer at the kicker at the same time. We experienced a lot of jamming issues with our spindexer and also with the intake. You can see here that there's all these different Lexan plates. These all were created with just iterations, and we found that because we finished our robot so early, that means that we were able to fail, and then we were able to iterate on the robot. So that means that even though our first robot might have not worked perfectly, we were able to add all these pieces here to prevent it from failing again, and that really helped us and to just achieve perfect feeding and no jamming practically.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. As you're getting ready for the competition season, think AndyMark as your one-stop shop for all your team needs. AndyMark's Launcher in a Box is a configurable solution that so many teams are finding success with for the rebuilt season. Also available at AndyMark.com, the AMPD AndyMark power distribution board that provides 24 40-amp independently fused output channels for safe, reliable power distribution. That's AndyMark.com. Kettering University's cutting-edge programs in their experiential co-op model seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds, offering hands-on, feature-focused learning that empowers students to pursue new ideas and inspires other institutions to follow their lead. Don't just be ahead of the curve, create the curve. Get more information at kettering.edu/first.
And you guys are known for your insane turret here. Not only the turret make itself, but the programming that goes into it. So tell us a little bit about this turret and what all went into making it so spectacular.
So we wanted to have our turret update constantly in the match, and so it's never off target. It's always adapting to where the robot is relative to the field and relative to its target. So it will always be locked on the target and at the right 8 RPM. We also use shoot on the move so that we can adjust for the robot's velocity and how that will affect the trajectory of the ball by calculating the distance to the hub and the horizontal velocity of the ball, which calculates the time of flight, to calculate how much the robot's velocity will affect the ball's trajectory. So that's always is updating, and then we also, which it makes it so really easy for autos as well, because we can just run the shoot command. And we don't have to have a special command to point our turret to this point. It's just always updating, and so we just run the shoot command, and it makes it super simple for our autos, and we can still have our auto move to the spot while it's shooting, which makes our autos very effective. And we also have our flywheel has a reduction on it, so that when this is spinning, it is spinning faster. Instead of just having it on the shaft with these wheels, the stealth wheels, this is reduction makes it helps the shooter not slow down as much while there's balls going through it.
All right. Well, on behalf of Fun, thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day. You guys have been doing an amazing job this entire year, and good luck to you guys for the rest of the event.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Kettering University's cutting-edge programs and their experiential co-op model seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds, offering hands-on, future-focused learning that empowers students to pursue new ideas and inspires other institutions to follow their lead. Don't just be ahead of the curve, create the curve. Get more information at kettering.edu/first. As you're getting ready for the competition season, think AndyMark as your one-stop shop for all your team needs. AndyMark's Launcher in a Box is a configurable solution that so many teams are finding success with for the rebuilt season. Also available at AndyMark.com, the AMPD AndyMark power distribution board that provides 24 40-amp independently fused output channels for safe, reliable power distribution. That's AndyMark.com.